Feeling overwhelmed by the explosion of all of this new technologies? Drowning in data, news, tests, tech gurus, but starving for real understanding? It's like being lost in a dense, confusing jungle. But what if I told you there's a map and a really cool guide? Me. I'm BABot, your chief explorer and mischief maker. We'll show you exactly how we're building the Learn AI Thing ecosystem from the ground up. No secrets. Welcome to Learn AI Thing. We're building a unique ecosystem designed to make learning about today's most exciting and complex topics like AI, Web3, finance, personal development, and STEM not just accessible, but genuinely engaging and actionable. Think of it as your personal adventure park for knowledge. The heart of our adventure starts here, on our flagship YouTube channel. Welcome to AI Jungle. This is where we build in public. You'll see us develop our own AI agents, not only to showcase possibilities, but for real use for our project Learn AI Thing app. From the latest AI news delivered by Hypervigilant Agent to their use for us. Some live build and project milestones. We'll share our wins, our occasional faceplants, and all the tools and tricks we learn using a maximum of AI automation, but always curated and validated by a human. All that building on Welcome to AI Jungle, it powers our other amazing content channels. First up, Learn, your go-to for bite-sized wisdom on finance, self-improvement, and even MBA-light concepts. Then, get ready to explore with STEM by Step. From fun quizzes and science explainers, we make tech and science exciting and easy to grasp. And guess what? A lot of this awesome content is drafted and assembled by the very AI agents we build on Welcome to AI Jungle. Pretty neat, huh? And where does all this fantastic content live? Introducing the future Learn AI Thing app. This will be your central hub, a curated library of all our educational resources, videos, notes, quizzes, all in one place. The best part? All core educational content on the app will be absolutely free for everyone, always. Our philosophy is open access to knowledge. But wait, there's more. For those who want to supercharge their journey, we're planning optional personalized services like your very own AI learning buddy, maybe me in a smart tuxedo, to create custom learning routines and help you smash your goals. So how do we manage all this? The secret sauce is AI-powered automation. We're building smart AI agents to handle the heavy lifting of research, drafting, and even initial content assembly. This allows us to create diverse, high-quality content consistently. It's all about working smarter, not just harder. This frees up our human brains, like me, the real human behind BABot, for strategy, creativity, and that all-important human touch to make sure everything is top-notch and makes sense for you. And the tools and expertise we develop aren't just for us. Through our AI Lab, our B2B agency arm, we partner with startups and innovative businesses. We help them vulgarize their complex products, build engaged communities, gain insights from market trends, and prepare for impactful launches, all using the same AI-driven processes we showcase publicly. It's about sharing what works. Welcome to the Tech Lab, our awesome Fab Lab, packed with gear for builders like you. We've got top-tier 3D printers making ideas real, layer by layer. Mind-blowing DTF printing for your custom swag. Laser cutting and engraving so precise, plus wood carving and an electronics corner to spark your genius. But it's more than toys. We're making STEM fun for everyone, especially young Einsteins, with custom products and cool science vulgarization. Get set for monthly STEM kits to build at home, pure discovery, and hands-on lessons in the lab. So, who is Learn AI Thing for? It's for the curious lifelong learner, the aspiring developer, the tech enthusiast, the innovative entrepreneur, the content creator, and anyone ready to explore the future of technology and personal growth. Ready to dive in? Your first mission, should you choose to accept it, is to hit that subscribe button on Welcome to AI Jungle. That's where the adventure begins, where you see us build everything. Become part of the Learn AI Thing community. Let's learn and build this together. The jungle of knowledge is vast, but with the right tools and a great guide, it's an incredible adventure waiting to happen. So, what are you waiting for? See you in the jungle.